Chocolate babies, welcome back to another YouTube video with a girl dipped in chocolate. Now this is like part three. Yes. Now I'm getting ready to go to Seward. I'm in Alaska, so Seward. I'm going to another city because I'm in Anchorage now, so I'm going to another city called Seward. So just continue watching and you guys will understand. Yeah, while watching, if you like, you could go back to part 1 and part 2 to understand part 3, but continue watching. Guys, I woke up early, took a bath and everything. I am now going to prepare some breakfast because I'm leaving soon. I'm going to Seward. So yeah, gonna go bust some breakfast, show you guys. I packed already everything, waiting on my Uber to come, so I'll see you then. So I'm now going to Seward. Yeah, that's how it's pronounced because I was eaten up when I call it Seward. Anyways, this is my last day in Anchorage for now. I'm going to Seward to check it out and so it's really beautiful in Anchorage, really nice. I think everybody should get the opportunity to travel. I'm traveling by myself. This is my first time, everything, and it's just amazing. So it's good.
And because we got these fancy little things right here, we got a safety speech. Oh, it's good times. So, can anyone tell me the definition of safety? Only 2 people got it last year. Who can tell me what the definition of safety? I know, you hear it all the time, everywhere we go.
Might as be safe to be alive.
Well, that's an example of it. Nothing. Alright, it's freedom from risk. I don't know, things I pick up as a school bus driver. So, along this, we're going to try to mitigate as much as we can, help you out. So, if you all need to get off this...
Meet up with some of the guys. Guys, me tell you about cold. As I take up the finger, you have to touch the phone. And I tell you, say, anytime I take up the finger, I'm so cold. At this time, I'm heading to the apartment that I'm going to stay at in Seward. Yeah, it was raining because it's a rainy place. Guys, so I reached at the place where I stay, but I'm not in my room as yet. But I warm up some of the food I ate yesterday. When we reach my room, I go on a full tour and everything. So yeah, this is a quick overview of the apartment. Yeah, those are bunk beds. Yeah, the kitchen section, the bathroom is really nice. So guys, I'm going right now to look at a bicycle because I want to buy one. But look at the view, it's so pretty. So pretty. I'm going to show you guys. So my friends bought their bicycles and rent their bicycles. My lips, look at my lips. So it's healing now. It's yucky, yes, but it's healing now. I'm going to show you guys around. Thank God we didn't learn to ride bicycle from in Jamaica, so it's not a problem now when I'm here to buy one. So beautiful. It's so cold here. It's even colder here than Anchorage because the mountains are closer here. I hope we get to play Snow War. Yeah. This is the town of Seward. I am actually going to the bike store. Oh, well, I didn't vlog that, but I bought this bicycle for the season. It's not really pretty, but it is okay for now. So I decided to check out some restaurants in this city, and I stumbled upon Sea Salt. It's very beautiful. The people are very welcoming. It's just awesome. Very beautiful. It's giving vintage. I think like my fancy. So guys, I went to the supermarket again to get some things that I didn't get in Walmart. Well, it was in Walmart, but I didn't want to have like a lot of things to carry because I was packed, right? So I got salt, onion, and I think I got some black pepper. I don't really remember. Guys, I don't know what happened, but the police are coming. It's not the police. That's the ambulance. That's not the police. So like, oh, you're tired, guys. She's tired. Yeah. She just ride from up the store. You see the store right there to here, and she's tired. She wants water. So I went back to the restaurant and I got a hamburger this time. It was pretty good. So I decided to take a stroll around the town. This is the downtown area of Seward. It's very beautiful. The ship The cruise ship's port over that side. I think this town is really pretty. There's a lot of restaurants, bars, hotels, a lot of things here. This is the tourist attraction place, I guess. We're heading home. I stopped at this pizza place where I got a pizza for my dinner. I vlogged her making the pizza. It was so beautiful, so nice. I was so cold, so I was happy that I stopped off somewhere that I could warm up a bit before riding home. So watch her make my pizza. So I ride home with a couple friends. He decided to video me while I was riding. That was cute because I don't have any stand. So he was my personal stand. So guys, I have now reached at the apartment. Now getting something to eat, which is the pizza. Also, yeah, my jerk up post. So this is the pizza. It was crushed up because I was riding the bicycle. So I'm going to warm up about 3 pieces. I have a friend who's coming over for 2 pieces. So putting some pepper. You guys can't see what's going on, but let me show you my dinner, my Sunday dinner. So sad. If I was in Jamaica, Sima would be cooking up a storm for me. And you guys would see real Sunday dinner in Jamaican style. But I'm in the US, so I have to kind of adapt what is provided for me here. Well, I could cook Jamaican food, but I'm so tired and exhausted. That's all for today. When I got here, my chip out of the part of chip in the English, chip in the twanging, is because I'm trying to speak more fluent American accent than Jamaican. But my pizza is ready. This is all for today. I have a lot more in store for you guys, best believe. So continue watching, continue sharing my videos to your friends and your families, because yeah, Makhalia are going with a bag of things. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Go check on that pizza. Perfecto. Ay, 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 ay. Bomba. All right. Fun fuck. Need you guys to see this. This is so good. This is so good. Ooh, great, awesome. Okay, guys. Bye.